In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Airtable to Google Sheets. By the end, you'll have your Airtable workspace ready to pull data directly from your Google Sheets so you can work with it in a single source of truth. Before we start, make sure you're signed into both services in your browser and that you have permission to access the sheet you plan to use. First, open Airtable in your browser. If you land somewhere inside a base, that's fine. We're heading to the main area where all your work lives, so click Home at the top left. This takes you to your workspace overview, which lists your apps and bases. From the home view, open the app or base where you want this connection to live. You'll see controls for creating or bringing in data. Look for Add or Import. This is where Airtable centralizes data connections so you can bring content in without manual copy-paste. Choose Google Sheets from the import options. Airtable will now ask which Google account it should use. If you've connected a Google account to Airtable before, you'll see it available to select. Pick the correct one if it already has access to the sheets you need. If you need to review what's already linked, click Manage Connected Accounts. This is helpful if you previously connected a personal account and now want to switch to a work account, or if you want to remove an account you no longer use. If you haven't connected an account yet or you want to add a different one, click Connect New Google Account. A secure Google sign-in window will open. Choose the Google account you want Airtable to use. If prompted, sign in and confirm the permissions. Airtable typically requests access to view and manage files it creates or that you select for import. It's important to grant these permissions so Airtable can read your sheet and keep the connection working. If you don't see the Google window, check your browser's pop-up blocker and allow pop-ups for Airtable. Once you've selected the account, click Continue to confirm. That authorizes the connection and returns you to Airtable ready to proceed. From here, you'll be able to continue inside Airtable to choose the specific Google sheet and bring your data in using the options Airtable presents. A couple of tips as you wrap up. Use the same Google account that owns or has edit access to the sheet to avoid permission issues. Make sure column headers in your sheet are clear and consistent to help with field mapping. And if your organization restricts third-party connections, you may need an admin to approve the integration. That's it. Your Airtable workspace is now connected to Google Sheets and ready for streamlined imports.